Hold on, Rilla. Hold on. Okay. Buzz. Who's that buzzing in the sky? That's Little Bee who's flying by. Little Bee works very hard, visiting flowers in the yard. Ah! Buzz. Hold on. From blossom to blossom, she flies along. Buzz. Buzzing her busy bee song. Now it's time for bee babies to eat. She eats them all honey. What a nice treat. Boo. No time to play until work is done. But with the help from her friends, her work is fun. Boo. Little Bee's favorite thing to do is make sweet honey for little bees and you. You want another book? Oh, let go. It's not time to play. It's book time. Should we read that one? Animals. The snail. The snail goes very slowly, and that's a mole. The mole digs up Banana's garden. Butterfly, it goes flutter, 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 flutter. Yeah. And Robin's got the red chest, the blackbird, and the females are brown. Ladybird, or American we say ladybug, and a spider, Mr. Skinny Legs, and a worm. Yum, 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 yum. They love our garden. The caterpillar becomes a butterfly, and an ant goes creepy crawly everywhere. The end.